Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I want to show you another little knife I got because I have a gear addiction problem, and your first step in recovery is admitting you have a problem, yet I still bought it. And that's this little neck knife I bought. I also got this on Etsy. Of course, all the description will be full of links. It's a benchmark knife. It's got a necker handle. Now I don't carry stuff around my neck because I find it personally pretty annoying. It's the sheath alone is 1.9 ounces. The knife by itself, I added a little lanyard because I think it looks good. It's at 2.5 ounces. And then together it is 4.4 ounces. So 3.5-inch blade. I got my notes here. And 3.25-inch handle. So as you can see, it's a small knife. You know, I have big hands, so it runs out. But by having the lanyard on there, I have a little bit more grab purchase. Actually, I had this out last week and this week again. I've just been carrying it around, so I'm gonna go see if I can go make some feathers and with this knife, like I just did with the other knife, and see if I can get a little spark going. All right, let's get to it. Alrighty. Oh, get a glove up. Protect against slivers because they can be annoying. Okay. Would have been a good day to bring my cutting board, which is kind of why I bought it for stuff like this, and I didn't bring it today. Not very much there, but let's see if it hits a ferro rod okay. We're going to add just a little bit of Lombardy poplar bark. There we go. Wind is... Right when it started, the wind kicked up, which is pretty typical. So, there you go. Thanks, wind. Appreciate that. Alright. Well, there you go. It's not a bad little knife, really. $20 is all it was. So, of course I added a lanyard, like I said. But, you know, it's not too bad. You'll be seeing it on some future outings. I'm going to use it a little bit more. So as always, the link will be down in the description, and I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.